Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is again going to be some daily messages for you, what you need to know right now. But today's video is not going to be as short as the previous one. So it's going to be just slightly more detailed. And while I am speaking with you, I am live shuffling the cards as well so that you know nothing is premeditated or anything. So this is all organic, and let's give it one final shuffle. Okay. Now let's see which are the cards that want to come out. Okay, I feel called to take out this one. This one over here. There are a lot of cards in the middle. Are you in the middle of something? In the middle of doing something. We'll take out more cards in a bit. Right now, let's see what are the primary messages. Yup, you are in the middle of something. You are deciding on something as we speak. You are in a lot of mental turmoil. You're deciding what you should do because probably you have 5 ideas and you have to choose only one of them. Yes, you do have more than one ideas at hand. One of those ideas involve you leaving your home and going abroad. Actually, this is a very similar message to yesterday's reading as well. But there, the person had already left their home. Here, you are still deciding whether you want to leave home or not. And, so much thinking and everything. It's actually taking a turmoil on you. You're feeling mentally drained, exhausted, tired. However, whatever decision this is not, just your decision alone. There's a divine framework here that is at play, and whatever decision you take will be in alignment with your uh, highest benefit, I'd say. And no matter what you do, whatever decision you pick, it is not going to be anything wrong. Like, you will end up making the correct decision only. So let us look at some more cards for you. Let's check. Okay, this one wants to come out, and this one, this one. Okay, let's just give it one more shuffle. And yeah, this one. Okay. I will not be taking out any more cards because we want to keep the video short and crisp because there are going to be daily messages for you. So tomorrow it'll be a new reading. So let's see. Let's conclude today's reading. Yeah, like I said, any decision that you take, it's not going to be wrong. The Sun card is here. There's success. Probably you can't see while you're making the decision right now. You can't foresee that what the future beholds, but the outcome is going to be in your favor. And once you have it, once you've made the decision, you've stepped into your new journey, you will realize that you'll start emotionally healing as well. All the exhaustion that you're feeling right now, it will be healed. And the journey is not going to be smooth. It's going to take a lot of effort from your end. You'll have to think it through. You have to put in your labor. You have to put in your hard work. But it is definitely going to be rewarding. It's going to ask for effort, but it is going to be rewarding. Okay, so that is it for you. General messages for you. I will see you in a new video tomorrow.